Stop paying $20 a month for AI subscriptions. You're being charged for a consumer app while Google is giving away the engine for free.
This is Google AI Studio. It's what I call the anti-gravity engine. Today, I'm vibe coding a custom AI content agent that builds my entire week of content in seconds for $0.
What is vibe coding? It's the ability to build functional software by just describing the vibe and the workflow, not writing a single line of syntax.
First, head to Google AI Studio. You don't need a degree, you just need to understand the agent's system instructions.
Here is the heart of the agent. Copy this. You are a senior content strategy agent. Your mission, research current search trends for insert niche, then draft a 5-day content calendar, including 5 viral-style titles, 3 hook options for each, and a suggested visual style.
See that? The AI is now thinking like a pro strategist. It isn't just spitting out random ideas. It's using the anti-gravity framework, analyzing context, and delivering a structured, high-conversion output.
If the output isn't perfect, this is where vibe coding shines. I can simply tell it, make it punchier, or focus more on this specific sub-niche. It adjusts in real time.
This is just one agent. You can build researchers, editors, or code reviewers in minutes. If you want the exact system prompts I use for my top agents, check the pinned comment below.
Stop being just a consumer of these tools. Start being a builder. With vibe coding, you aren't just using AI, you're directing it. The barrier to entry just hits 0. Go build your own. Then tell me what you created. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve. See you in the next one.